There was a lot of work in the off-season, obviously, to get the team up and running. That our first season, but thankfully we got a good group together, and as the season's gone on, we've noticed plenty of improvements. You know, picked up a couple of good results along the way as well, so it was nice to get a few wins and just to get that confidence in the team. But the girls have been excellent, you know, and we're just looking to keep pushing forward now and keep pushing on and improving.
It's been in the woodworks, I suppose, over the last couple of years to get a senior team into the Women's National League here for Sligo Rovers, but it was always kind of a matter of time, I suppose, waiting for the day that announced it. So when they did, it was great excitement around Sligo. I was delighted to have Sligo Rovers in the league and be able to play for my hometown in the Women's National League, and I know a lot of the other girls felt the same way who are from Sligo. So there's great excitement amongst us all, and it was a real privilege to put on the jersey for the first time.
We're getting decent crowds, you know, for considering it's our first season and that, and obviously we're you know, not getting positive results every week, so it's great to see so many people coming out kind of every time we're at home and getting behind the team. And it's great that there is a women's team, obviously, because it gives all the girls in the area something to aspire to. So the community have really got behind us, you know, and hopefully they'll keep doing it.
It's rallying Sligo Rovers!
It's great to see young kids coming to our games because they have something to look up to now as well, and it's great for them to be able to play here with the Sligo Rovers Academy, the under-17s girls, under-19s, and have something to follow on for, because I mean the last few years there hasn't been that senior club for them. And going even to the younger age groups again, we have the ball girls here at every home game, and even for them to be able to look up to a senior team in the club, a women's team, and not just a men's team, it's great for the kids in the community as well. It's a great community club, and we've had such a good fan base so far this season. Sligo's really got out and supported us. They've been at our games, they've come to away games, they've been great with sponsorship. A lot of the fan base from the men's are obviously coming to our games now, so it's a really community club, and it's evident to see that at our home games here in the showgrounds.
It's here that Sligo Rovers and Ford is found that one.
We're very much kind of pushing to promote the league and promote the team and promote women's football, like so. Having TG4 coming and, you know, covering the game, even though it is against Shells, you know, we'll be very much up for it and looking forward to it.
I guess the most important thing that day is just go out and give our best game that we can against Shells. In Tolka Park we had a really entertaining game against them. They scored with 2 minutes to go to beat us 1-0, so we'll obviously be hoping to keep them scoreless for as long as possible and try and nick 1 or 2 ourselves. But in terms of being on TV, of course there'll be a few extra nerves floating around, but we'll all be really excited at the same time. Shells have a fantastic name for themselves. We know what we'll be up against, we'll have complete respect for them, but we'll try and go out and create an entertaining game for the crowd and for anyone watching on TV as well, and hopefully come out with a point or 3 points.
Sligo Rovers Abu.
SSE Airtricity, official sponsor of the Women's National League.